When my friend say that how you do reballing of the Raspberry Pi in properly way, so I do this way. First I cover my Raspberry Pi safely. I am worried about that my phone can't fall, so that's why. See, now I recover my Raspberry Pi with some what we say silver paper. So now, because surrounding area, it will save. So I wanna do right now my IC and RAM. So I will take out and reball it and put again and give some all the heat around the Raspberry Pi, so it will refresh and work good. But I am doing right now for that's why, because my Raspberry Pi is not booting. Maybe IC problem, because one day I touch my IC reball and maybe I reball the wrong, that's why. So this is my heat gun, so now I will start it. So this way I do. So hope you like my video, subscribe the channel bro. Me support everyone. If anybody wanna ask any question, tell me. We are not like another YouTuber, we are simple YouTuber, normal. So thanks.